Outreach Activity Awareness or GATE JAM 2026 organized by Department of Green Energy Technology, Pondicherry University in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. I am Sarulata, research scholar in the Department of Green Energy Technology. I am honoring to be a master of ceremony of today's event. The initiative aimed to inform, inspire, and empower students to explore the remark opportunity that GATE and JAM exam offer higher studies and research Indian Institute top institution. To formally welcome the gathering, now I invite Professor B.M. Jafar Ali, Dean, Merchant School of Green Energy Technology, Pondicherry University, to welcome the welcome address. Please, sir.
Respected Director Studies, Professor K. Taranikarusu, and respected guest of today's event, Professor Jagan Mohan from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. The dynamic organizer of this event, Dr. Karthik Selvakumar, colleague department from the sister departments, students, very good morning. It's a pleasure to welcome our guests who have taken time to grace this occasion, and the guest of honor, Professor Jagan Mohan, has taken all the trouble to come over here to deliver the sensitization on the very important aspects of GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So many of students may be not aware of this as you are budding engineers of today, and you are going to have a very important deliberations by him. We welcome you, sir, for taking your time. I won't take much time between this event and this welcome address, just to tell one important aspect. For the past 2 to 3 years, Green Energy has been interacting with IIT Mumbai, who have also an energy program, to find a space for energy science in GATE. When you see all domains of specialization, when cross specialization happens, the student suffers. As a student of material science, I used to suffer how to write GATE, where to cover the syllabus of physics when our core was material science. This problem persists for decades. At least for energy science, there was a good news. The energy conclave happened in the IIT Mumbai for 2 years, recommended inclusion of one paper of energy science. It comes in from GATE 2026. It's being listed in the engineering sciences discipline, one paper is energy science. So you are at a very those students from that discipline are also equally placed to compete. Please go through all the syllabus as professor we will explain to you. Prepare yourself to this challenging event. So it's more than a qualification, it's a pride that you cross a certain aptitude in your professional career that will remain for ages, for your lifelong. With this short, brief note, I welcome all the gatherings of this event. Let's have a very fruitful and very interactive session today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It's my great honor to welcome Professor Jagan Mohan, IIT.
Today I am here to speak, to talk about two very important national exams for undergraduate and graduate students, GATE and JAM. So first, I will talk about GATE exam, after this inaugural session, and then 11 to 12, I will talk about JAM exam. These exams play a crucial role in getting admission to postgraduate program at premier institutes such as IIT, IIC, Indian Institute of Science, NITs, and then the central funded technology institutes and various universities across India. Moreover, a valid GATE score provides career opportunity. Apart from getting undergraduate, graduate and then PhD admission, apart from that, you have a career opportunity as well if you clear this exam. And then, this GATE score is valid in public sector undertakings like ONGS, NTPC, BIL, BHEL, IOCL, and then so on. And then, by using this GATE score, we can also students can do PhD at DRDO, BARC, and then ISRO laboratories. In the presentation, I highlight how to prepare this exam, what kind of question pattern you can expect, and then, where you can get material to prepare this particular exam. Okay, and then, this all we can discuss after this session. In this occasion, on behalf of IIT Madras, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Pondicherry University to arrange this great event. Meanwhile, I am also extended my heartfelt thanks to Professor Jafar Ali, Professor Tarani Karasu, and then Professor Karthik for this excellent arrangement as well as warm hospitality. So we can discuss a further thing after this inaugural section. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's our great privilege to welcome Professor K. Taranikarasu, Director, SCA and RR, Pondicherry University, to deliver a presidential address. Please, sir.
Respected Professor B.M. Jafar Ali, Dean Madanjit Singh, Managing School of Green Energy Technology, Pondicherry University, and today's speaker, Professor Jagan Mohan from IIT Madras. So I came to know that he is also from chemistry background. Correct. Thank you, Professor, for agreeing to deliver a lecture on GATE and JAM. And Professor K. Karthik Selvakumar, so who has started this, initiated this, and organizing this to bring more students to get the JAM as well as GATE fellowship. And all the, Joseph is there, Dr. Aishwarya is there, and all the faculty members, students and participants from various organizations. Good morning everyone, first of all. So I really very happy that this type of events are being organized in our university. We generally, the central university, we expect that the students write on their own exam, either CUT or CSIR or GAT-B or GATE, JAM on their own, and they select the scheme, whatever the required scheme. But to catch the students early, sometimes students, especially the rural side students, they don't know really what is really going on. Generally in the school, after they complete, after they see the result, yes, I am pass, then only they think about the next level. That is the mindset of the rural side students. But for higher education, it is not so. It is, they already plan before they complete the course, they already plan for the next step. And for entering into top ranked institutes or universities like IIT or ISER, we have to plan well ahead. And the moment the students clear +2, and also for any bachelor course, then by that time all exam would have been over. So this is the simple reason that they don't know. It is not that the students from rural background, they don't have a knowledge to clear this type of entrance test. But there is no persons to tell about how to approach this type of entrance test. Even though I have a wish for this, I don't know how to take the even small tips. Who is going to give? So this is the problem for the students who don't have idea about how to write this. But unfortunately, even though you have a merit or knowledge, so small tips are very useful when you write the exam. And if you take GAT, I think Professor Jagan Mohan is going to talk about this. When you say the GATE and the JAM, so earlier when we used to write master after mass, we used to write a GATE exam. Those days they give the percentile, I don't know, maybe now also percentile. And there is no cutoff marks those days. So if you have a good rank, percentile, you will get mostly after MS. I am basically chemistry person. MSc, you can easily get the fellowship in IITs and IAC. But of late, there are many twists and turns. Now, I think Jagan Mohan will tell you, Professor Jagan Mohan will tell you how to approach this. Then of late also they started the JAM for the, mostly the GATE is for the MTech, ME, PhD to enter into after bachelor. If you want to enter into MTech, ME, PhD, then other postgraduate courses in well-reputed institute like IITs, ISET, you need this. Of course, you will get the other than the admission, you will get the fellowship also. So, how other than this, nowadays they use. I come to know that they use this test percentile for PSU recruitment also. They are using this. Suppose I am not interested for master in IITs. I want to use this for the public sector undertaking jobs. Then you can use this test result also. So it is very useful, and Professor Dr. Karthik Selvakumar told, in our region, especially Pondicherry region, the number of students from this region is very less. That is why he has taken extra effort to arrange this type of events. And I came to know that there are many students other than this, the room. It is good sign that students are showing interest. I don't think Professor Jagan Mohan will disappoint you. Definitely will give more information regarding this. So I also thought that some of the tips, maybe it is in your syllabus, I will give some of the tips. I don't know whether you will go this, some small tips which may be useful for the students. See, first of all, if you take a course, the clearing exam is different and clearing entrance test is different. Please understand, entrance test is not like to test your knowledge. It is like a filtering system. I used to argue with my teachers. A person scores more than 96% is not able to enter into the university. I was in Delhi University that time. I used to argue. What else you require from him or her? Already they proved that they are very good percentage. Why again you are putting another entrance test? So it is our right to get the admission. But unfortunately the competition is more. It is we use in India as a entrance test to just a filter. There is no other mechanism to filter this. So please understand, confident that you have enough knowledge. Only the preparation you have to be different type. It is not going to test your full knowledge, but this is all the multiple choice questions will be prepared in a such a way that they test your they test your knowledge where it is always you have confusions. Unless otherwise you are very clear on this, you will not answer this. So for this, many students they do mistake is whatever they study in bachelor's or in plus 2, they go with their knowledge and they thought that they can write anything, but it is not so. First you have to understand what is the syllabus. Sit down with this and note down what is the syllabus. What are the syllabus for JAM it is different syllabus, for GATE it is a different syllabus. First you have to understand there is a syllabus for this. You have to prepare a different type of exams. Then you concentrate on, there are two things when you wear, it is not only here, wherever you go any exam. First thing is you will always have a confusion. I know certain portion, but I don't know certain portions. So where I have to concentrate? The first thing is you have to concentrate more on whatever you know already. Strengthen your fundamentals. Then slowly you will develop wherever you don't know. There is a reason behind this, why you don't know. So whenever you don't know, don't hesitate to concentrate the experts. That is another problem for the students. They try to hide. Okay, I don't know this, to whom I will ask. If you have a hesitation, if you have a shyness, you are the loser. No other people are going to be loser. So either the expert, whoever is you are going to ask, one or two moment only they will be feel annoyed or feel they will get small angry or some discomfort, but ultimately you will get the knowledge. They will, most of the teachers, they maybe they will busy or the way in which you approach, maybe they may not be happy, but ultimately they love to give the knowledge. And you have to break this ice. You have to break this. I need this. Where I will go and ask. So whether it is a own teacher or whether if you are going for a coaching center also, if you are still shy, that coaching center will not tell you what is your problem. You have to identify what is where I am weak. So you have to understand this. So if you somewhere your fundamental is not good, so make sure that your fundamental is very strong. Because don't try to travel with the knowledge you may thinking that this time I could not able to clear, let me try next time. No, don't go with this understanding, because it is the one of the toughest test, because whole India is competing with this. So you have to make sure that your fundamentals are wrong. And also many students, they will at the end they will come to know that this exam is there, and then they go and write exam. They may not know what type of question paper it is, how they ask, in which syllabus it is, what type of question they are asking. For this, best option will be you practice the old question papers. Am I taking your part also?
No, correct. Absolutely.
So maybe one or two may be useful for them. Yes. And also, if you are contacting, if you have a contact with some of the coaching centers, never shy away for taking the mock test. So that will give you idea how much time you are taking to understand time management. Time management is another one, another important one. If you are very tough questions you are choosing, and then you are not able to come out with the correct answer, if you take more time, then it is better go to next simple question. Then you can go for the second round. So the time management also very important. So in the case of jam also, it is even though it is similar to the gate, but this jam is for only 7 subjects, mostly basics like physics, chemistry, maths, statics, geology, like this. So your preparation will be little different compared to gate, where in gate 29 subjects are covered, mostly the engineering subjects like civil, mechanical, electrical, like this. Another important difference is for gate result, I think 3 years valid is there, 3 year values, whereas jam is only 1 year. So you plan accordingly your course and where you want to go. I hope this will be very useful. And also whenever every person have a different lifestyle. So don't try to copy your friend's studying pattern. Everybody have your sleep pattern is different, your social media time is different. Accordingly, you plan your own study time. Okay, so if you try to copy somebody may wake up early morning and complete it. Somebody early morning, if you wake up, they get only sleep. They cannot able to concentrate. But always wake up early is best habit. But suppose your hormone doesn't accept it, don't try to push. So sometimes it is very late preparation is not going to be very useful. That is the scientists say this. Maybe up to 10, 10:30, 11. Beyond 11, I don't think it is going to, it will affect your body. So try to change slowly, wake up early and study early. That you can save a lot of time. So when you go for late, so always you wake up late and you will say daytime you feel disturbance and then say let me read later, let me read in the evening, and at the end late evening only you start studying. By the time the day will be over. Whereas when you wake up early, then you feel enthused. Enthusiasm is very important. Keep yourself motivated. This is the biggest task for anybody in this world. So there are many ups and downs. So you should know how to emotionally you manage yourself, because sometimes you expect different thing, but the exams also results may be different. So you have to be very balanced to take these tough exams. So this is some of the points I thought I will discuss, and I will end up with only one question. How many of you know this procrastination? Yeah, okay, good. Procrastination. Many people know about this. So how many of you have this? Okay, good. This is very, at this age, this is very, please read about this. Many youngsters, they have this issue. They have a very good knowledge, and but they always postpone the things, and they blame themselves, and then they end up losing much of the valuable time. So please read about this. This will be very useful. I think they are expecting more from you. Thank you everyone for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to invite Dr. K. Karthik Selvakumar, Assistant Professor, Faculty Coordinator of the event, to deliver the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Very good morning to one and all. First of all, I like to thank on behalf of Department of Green Energy, I like to thank our Honorable Respected Professor Vice Chancellor, Professor Prakash Babu sir, for in a short span he approved the program to conduct and coordinate in a bigger level. So then I have to thank our Director sir, K. Tarnikarsu sir, for accepting this wonderful event to be part of that. And graciously we have more, we may have included him as one of the resource person. So on another part, we have to thank IIT Madras Gate Chairman Sumit sir, Sheikh sir, and our Professor Jaganmohan sir for giving this wonderful opportunity and as an outreach program we can combine together. So once again, thank to IIT Director Professor Kamakoti sir. Then apart from that, I like to thank our respected Dean sir, Professor Jafar Ali sir, always supporting the event. Whatever we take care, we go on with that. He will always support us. We do it, we will support from back. And our respected head of the department. Then I special thanks to the organizing secretary. When I needed to organizing in a smaller way, when I speak with people from different part of our institute itself, Professor Suresh Babu sir, Professor SKV sir, Professor Sharmila Asarif madam, Dr. Aishwarya Babu madam, and from Port Blair Andaman campus, Professor Ganesh sir, and Karakal campus, yes, Bhuvaneshwari madam, and Madhavaya sir. So many people there work together in the part of, for the working, for the benefits of our rural population of Union Territory, and some of the organizers from affiliated colleges. Many faculties are there organizing at their own will, they contacted us. So through online they have joined. So once again, I thank the participant, that student participant. You make use of it, this wonderful opportunity, and get benefited. This is one of a kind, and hope we will combinedly together in upcoming years for all the BTech and MTech and other courses also. We will include many more outreach activity with the support of our director sir and our vice chancellor sir and registrar sir and all other administration support. And again, one final thanks to our EMRC people. Whenever we ask last minute, they have a lot of program combinedly. So I am NPTL. They last minute when we go, they agreed to do the part. Thank you once again for the directors and team. Thank you one and all.